Oh, just look at that. That's fish finger butties made in the air fryer. Hey guys, how you all doing? Welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today we're going to do an old school classic. And now when I say old school, I mean old school when I used to come home from school. Mum used to make fish fingers. Now we're going to make a fish finger butty in the air fryer. Let's show you how to do it. Come on. Now the good thing about this is that you can use any fish fingers you like. It doesn't matter what packet fish fingers they are. Obviously as long as they're frozen. All you gotta do is just get them in the bottom of that air fryer there, you know. Get them in. There's no oil use for this. That makes it a really healthy option. So all we gotta do then, we just gotta leave a bit of space around it because we want the air to go around. You know, it's a dead easy recipe to make this, guys. I absolutely love fish finger butties. So that's it. Fish fingers in the air fryer. Whack it in. And then we want to be turning up to about 180 for about 9 minutes. And that's it basically. We just have to wait now. And then in 9 minutes, all we're going to do is turn them over. Now you don't have to turn them over if you don't want to. But you know, it's a good idea to turn them over. Because obviously with them being frozen fish fingers, they can still be a bit soggy underneath. But if you turn them over, you've already crisped up the top. Now you're going to crisp up the bottoms. So back in the air fryer. And we want to be turning this on for about 8 minutes. Get them on for about 8 minutes and these fish fingers will be absolutely perfect. Oh, just look at that. They are superb. Crispy all over. By they smell great. And obviously they're not dripping in oil. So all we got to do now is take a couple of slices of thick bread and lather on some butter. Plaster it on. You know, we want a good coating of butter on our bread. After all, we are making a butty. So butter up your bread. And then what we'll probably do, I think we'll bob some mayonnaise on one side and a bit of ketchup on the other. So it's a bit like a seafood sauce really, because if you mixed it both together you would end up with a seafoody type sauce. But we're going to lather it on each slice of bread. So mayonnaise on one, ketchup on the other. And then all we've got to do is get those golden fish fingers and shove them in this bread. Get them in there. Oh, I think I can go one more. I'm going to give those a shove up and put another one in. Get them in. Oh, look at that. And we're going to go for a double layer. Get them on. Now if you're going to make a fish finger butty, you're going to make a fish finger butty. As you can see guys, the beauty about this is they ain't swimming in oil. They've not been cooked in oil in a pan. They're fantastic. So all we've got to do is bang on some malt vinegar. Get your favourite vinegar on there, but I use Sarson's malt vinegar. Bob on some salt, a little pinch of salt all over, and then we're just going to top it off with our bread with the ketchup on. And that is our fish finger butty. Just look at that. Oh, just give it a slice up and then go for the reveal. Whoa. Oh, come on, guys. Just how good does that fish finger butty look? Oh, we got to give this a go. Oh, just look at that. Oh, wow. Guys, that takes me back to being a kid. That's fish finger butties made in the air fryer. Just look at that. Now guys, if you like what we're doing, don't forget to smash that like and subscribe, share with your friends, all that kind of stuff. We'll catch you in the next video.